In this discussion, you can see how to use 6,0,id special command and what is the purpose and how we can use this special command. We will see the real test case. In case you missed previous discussion about 5,0,0 special command, please check link is given in description. And if you go to here in this playlist and you want to learn more about the special command with the real test cases, like how you can use the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 special commands, what is the purpose and how we can use these commands in backend side, you can see the real test case using this playlist. But if you are following this playlist, then you don't need to follow this playlist because this is the main playlist of the Odoo. And if you want to learn more about topic wise, then you can just use this topic wise playlist is also available. So let's back to our main topic, and yes, all the source code is available in GitHub. You can see also the link into the about tab in the YouTube channel. Let's see like how we can use this 6 comma IDs special command. Okay, let's say right now we are not going to in the school profile, we are just going to here in the student profile, and I just open any of the student profile here. You can see here this hobby list is available and the type is many to many. You can see here the type is many to many. The field name is hobby underscore list and the model name is hobby. Now, like why I'm showing you this field, because the special command this 6,0 widely used override the value of this hobby underscore list field. I mean the many to many field. Like let's say in our simple terminology, like whenever you want to update add many to many field, that time you can use this 6,0 IDs special command. Like how? So let's see how we can do from the backend side. Let me give you one demo like how Odoo actually using this special command. Like let's say I'm just click to this edit button and I'm trying to add random hobby list check and trying to click to the save button. Now you can see in terminal, in this terminal you can see student write method is all, and in this vals you can see here this is the vals and hobby underscore list is that field name, and you can see here 6,0 of false, and then after list of ID is available. So like this way like Odoo actually working using the special command. Let's say I'm uncheck to options here and trying to save. Now you can see here it's always use the 6,0 IDs here. So in beef like first time we add 3 hobby list, so you can see here this hobby IDs is selected using this 6 ID. But now we already have in front end side only one ID we selected, right? Like rest 2 we unchecked. So here like Odoo automatically use this 6 false selected ID. It will automatically override the existing values. Here value means the IDs, and then after it will automatically link those records for the current record set. So that's the main idea here. So let me go to here in the front end side in menus 2 and trying to click here this hobby. So you can see a list of hobbies available, but let me add here database ID also. Student profiles and views, and view part, hobby. Okay, in tree view, I mean in the list view, we have to mention ID. So trying to upgrade the module like school underscore student. Now I'm going to in front end side and just trying to refresh the page. So you can see here also IDs. Okay, 15, 16, 30, 31, 32 and 37 is there. And here, like before we do anything, first we are trying to create a new button in the student profile. Here, like 6 comma 0 comma IDs, the special button. I'm going to here in the models part. This is the student profile, and here I'm adding def special command 6. I'm adding as a pass. After, like in views.xml file, I have to find out the form view of the student. You can see here now, like button name equal to special command 6, type equal to object, and string equal to special command 6 comma 0 comma IDs. That's it. And let me upgrade the module one more time. First, let's see here, just trying to refresh the page. Okay, you can see here this 6 comma ID 6 comma 0 comma IDs button is available. And now right now if you click here, it's only refresh the page. But using this special, like once I will click to this button, now the purpose is like reading, then after meditation and gym, automatically we have to select using this special command. But we at least we need to know about the IDs of these fields, IDs of this record set, right? So I'm going to here in hobby. You can see the reading ID is 15, 31 and 32. So let's say IDs equal to in list 15, 31 and 32. Let me double check from the front end side, like 15, 31 and 32, yes. Otherwise, if we add here any wrong ID, Odoo automatically writes the error if that ID is not found from the database. Now, like self dot write in dictionary hobby underscore list, and here like we have to pass 6 comma 0 comma IDs. And I'm going to in terminal and just refresh the page, no need to upgrade the module. And I'm going to here in front end side and try to open student profile here. Let's say this student 44. Now you can see for this student don't have any hobby list, right? So once I will click here, you can see it will automatically check the specific hobbies. So like this way you can use this special command. So right now I'm using this button and the static IDs, but from your side, like based on your flow, you have to perform such operations using dynamic IDs. And might be it's also happen like you don't need to use this one, like instead this button you can also override the write method or create method. That time you can use this special command, the 6 comma 0 comma IDs. So I hope you understood this command, right? So here we successfully completed the special commands operations. So here at least you know like Odoo provides some special commands in model level to perform specific operations with the parent-child operations using different techniques. And here Those are the command list you can see here. In case you have any doubt or query, please comment below, and see you in next session.